How to add contact information on your iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Easy Text widget application on your phone. This app allows you to create custom text notes that can be displayed as widgets on your home or lock screen. Once inside, type the desired text into the provided text box for quick reference. After that, tap on the Save to Widget button to confirm, then tap OK. Now, swipe down from the top left corner of your screen to open the notification center. Long press on the lock screen to enter customization mode. At the bottom, tap on the Customize button. On this page, tap on the minus icon, then search for Easy Text widget. Now, tap on the widget you just created to add it to your lock screen. Close the panel and tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Your custom text will now be visible on your lock screen. Following these steps, you can easily add contact information to an iPhone lock screen.